rise today to give the spotlight to the pinnacle of institutional achievement. As a public servant, I value quality education. I believe that it is proper for this body to recognize the momentous transition of leadership in Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, for the new leaders will mark a new legacy to nurture young minds. Just recently, the DIMSO Board of Regents announced the official designation of 3 distinguished academic leaders who will steer our campuses toward further excellence. Their terms, commencing this coming May 12, 2026, will carve a new path towards another year of delivering world-class education and ensuring competent administration at DIMSO. It is my distinct honor to formally congratulate Dr. Jennifer Ray Tabafunda for his designation as Chancellor of the North La Union Campus, Dr. Alvin R. Malikdem as Chancellor of the Mid La Union Campus, and Dr. Isidro Duran as Chancellor of the South La Union Campus. These designations are not mere titles. They represent a heavy mantle of responsibility. The chancellors of our North, Mid, and South campuses serve as the architects of our youth's future. Hence, to our newly designated chancellors, your success is the province's success. Bayat iti panagsagana yung agtakam itamayo, amuyo tinakasagana, ti komunidad kan lokal a gobyerno amang suporta kada kayo. We are partners in the mission of empowering our stakeholders and uplifting the lives of every Ilocano through the power of education. Congratulations to the new leaders of DIMSO. May your term be defined by integrity, progress, and an unwavering commitment to the Filipino students. Mr. Presiding Officer, I would like to pass a resolution later on the unassigned business. Thank you.